everyone! Today I'll be showing you how I conceal my under eye circles. I already put my foundation as a base, so I will start concealing my under eye circles using a color corrector in the shade Rise. It's by Live Tinted. I love their Hue Stick color correctors. They are wonderful. And now I'll blend the color corrector. Now I will go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Sand to conceal my dark circles. And I will blend all of that. And as you can see, there's already a difference in the way my under eye circles look versus before. I'll go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread.